Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Naveed Hasan Syed and the topic of today's lecture is socialism. So let's start the topic. Socialism is basically a political and an economic theory of social organization which advocates that means of production and distribution and exchange of the resources should be owned and regulated by the society as a whole. This is basically, the idea of socialism. The theory of socialism is an opposite theory of capitalism. So first we must know about the meaning of capitalism. In capitalism, we know that the maintenance of private property means the means of productions are in the hands of private ownership. So when we are saying that socialism is opposite theory of capitalism, then it means socialism is an ideology that supports public ownership of property and natural resources, where from the word socialism is derived. It is derived from Latin word sociare, means to share or combine. Now we are going to discuss the main features of socialism, like the major characteristics of socialism. First feature of the socialism is public ownership of the means of production. Second one is support equality and equal opportunity. There is no division of classes. Third one is provision of basic need and social welfare. It works for the social welfare as a whole. Next is based on community and cooperation, not competition. Competition is the characteristic of capitalism, we must know. So in the socialism, there is no existence of competition, but socialism is based on community and cooperation as a whole. Next one is the social class based on egalitarian society. Now what does mean by egalitarian society? Egalitarian society means no class differences within the society. Next is the socialism based on centralized planning. The famous quote we have listened that each according to his ability, to each according to his work. This is the core idea of socialism. एक बात ज़हन नशीन रखिए कि अक्सर मार्क्सिस्ट स्कॉलर्स ने, स्पेशली खुद कार्ल मार्क्स ने और लेनिन ने सोशलिज्म और कम्युनिज्म को इंटरचेंजेबली यूज़ किया है. मतलब क्या कि अगर बात वो सोशलिज्म की कर रहे थे तो उन्होंने उस जगह पर कम्युनिज्म का लफ्ज़ भी इस्तेमाल किया है. अब ऐसी सूरत में हम कार्ल मार्क्स के मुताबिक सोशलिज्म क्या है और लेनिन के मुताबिक सोशलिज्म क्या है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू कोट their two statements respectively. Socialism, according to Karl Marx, socialism is a transitional social state. Listen carefully. Socialism is a transitional social state between the overthrow of capitalism and the realization of communism. यानी ये एक ऐसी फेज है, यानी ये एक ऐसा टाइम है कि जिसके दौरान कैपिटलिज्म से जान छूट रही होगी और कम्युनिज्म की हम इंतहा पर पहुंचने वाले होंगे. Lenin has stated about the socialism that socialism is the lower stage of communism. ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर पीपीएससी के क्वेश्चंस में आता है कि who stated socialism is the lower stage of communism? So the answer is Lenin. लेनिन ने कहा था कि सोशलिज्म जो है वो कम्युनिज्म की लोअर स्टेज है. If you people have any questions, you may ask in the comment box. Thank you so much. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss communism in details.